Hello everyone, I just bought an oil control blotting paper. Charot. Actually, nakaisa na ko guys. Oh, grabe ka oily jud ko, promise. By the way, I'm here at T-Barrel. Ako lang isa lang. So. And I bought milk tea. My favorite Okinawa Skemeret. Grabe ka init, I promise. So, mag-retouch lang tanong. Grabe ka oil. Grabe ka oil alas. And then, where's my lip tint? Actually guys, wala ko nagpa-powder. I'm confident with my face. Charot. And lip tint lang. Saan yung lip tint? Alright. Oh, bro. Init yung kayo siya doon ako. O, diba? Sige. So, I'm gonna... So, required ano, retouch before where's the So all for today guys, bye bye for now.